It's super cold. We are going to go thrifting, and I thought I would take you along with me so we can go thrifting together. Again, like last time, I'm going on a different day, so I'm hoping that it's not going to be as busy as it was last week when we went on the weekend. So I can pull my camera out and you can see what kind of fun stuff I see at my thrift stores around me. So let's go. Hi. So I just got back in from the second Goodwill and I didn't find much. I found two things, so at the end of the video we will do a haul, but it was super crowded in there. I was able to get a little bit of footage, but not much. In fact, I got hit in the back of the foot twice by two separate carts. Stay tuned. We are going to go to a couple more thrift stores and a consignment store, which tends to be a little bit more expensive, but I'll see if I can bring you out in those. Hi guys, are you ready to see our haul that we got today? We got a lot of good stuff. So guys, if you can hear, Joe's out in the workshop. I hope you can't hear that background noise. I'll try to cut it out, but yes, We do a lot of things in our house, so, and this is my life. This is real life, and I'm not going to hide anything from you. So if you hear some machining, it's Joe out in the garage. He's tinkering on a couple of things. By the way, he welds and he does lots of metal work, so he is the iron part behind Oak and Iron. So, like I was saying, so when I go out and purchase things, I purchase things as a creative assortment. So our haul today, yes, there's a lot of things out there to sell, but today I kind of kept it more spring focused. So we'll go through all our products. First one being case in point, right? So this is a watering can. This is for me. I need a watering can. I have been watering my plants in this house with a cup. Yeah, this stool is halfway done for me. I love to bring this back to raw wood, so I'll sand this down, clean this up really, really well, scuff sand it, and put another new coat of black paint on it. If you can't tell, it needs to be fixed. So somebody thought, let's see, there, I don't know. So what I'll have to do is take that screw out and see what else is loose or what is loose, scrape out the old glue, put new glue in, and put something heavy on it and let the glue do its job. So that's my plan for this stool. Ooh, how about this? I'm sure everybody has seen these. These are in Hobby Lobby. These are at Michael's. I love these. I need some more hanging space in my booth. And I got Lizzie a cute little, can you see it? Oh, there we go. I got Lizzie a cute dog dish. I like sweaters. Sometimes I like turtlenecks, sometimes I just like crew necks. I do not like the deep V's, so this sweet sweater I got at Goodwill for $8, so this is for me. So the booth that I have, we can't sell any clothing items unless it's pre-approved. I would love to get into clothing, but at this time, the clothing that I buy is all for me. So we'll put that there. We've got this sweet candle, and it turns. So this is meant to reflect the light out, to give you more light from a single source, which would be the candle. You see the cat behind me. That's the one that gets in all the problems. Yes, he's the stinker. So again, guys, you're gonna see cats and you're gonna see dogs run all over this place, and kids and husbands. That's my life. But it was red tag this week at Goodwill, so today was 75% off. Beginning of the week is 25%, and then they lower it to 50%, and then 75% at my Goodwill. So every red tag was 75% off. So I got these. Oh, three copper mugs, and it's okay, there are only 3. I have a couple more you can't see, but I have a couple more I'm kind of collecting, and what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to make candles out of these. Nobody really drinks out of them when they start getting rusted and such in the bottom of the cups. So my plan is for these copper cups, these copper mugs, we're going to make candles in it. Just you and I, we're going to start making some candles. So that's going to be another video in the future. to turn cups into candles. Another thing I got is this bookend. Again, I have books in my booth, and so I thought getting a bookend that is stone would look really, really cute. Oopsies. And then we've got a basket. This is what the cats are eyeing up. The cats want, see, a little booger. If anybody has cats, let me know if they're as curious as these. Bag. So next up is the stuff that we got from the consignment store and from the thrift store. Just a little tiny 2-room thrift store, and I just absolutely adore this place. Is this little carry-all with these I guess baskets. I don't know. I didn't buy it for these. I was going to put some mason jars into this area, but it came with it. So then we got this wire basket. We'll have to fix this. Like I said, there's a couple of things that we should fix. I want to fix it because this little wire stuff will poke ya. So see how that one's out. We'll just need to fix it. So anyway, this is the little wire basket that we got. And then we got this little pitcher. So like I was saying, is this next reset that we're going to do for the booth is going to be spring related. So I was thinking about fun things that people can put their flowers in that is above and beyond just the vases that you can get. There's vases aplenty. But these sweet little pitchers, I got a couple of these sweet little pitchers, makes the cutest little cut flower display. Next couple of things are from the tiny thrift store that I go to. These mason jars, 50 cents. I don't know about you, but my Goodwill is selling mason jars for like $1 each. I think that's a little pricey. So again, another display that I'm going to have in my booth come the spring is little like baskets. They're all about displaying flowers. So, and they're perfect for Easter time too, but another little basket. For our booth, we've got 1, 2, so we've got 3. Something fun to put some cut flowers in. And there you go. So guys, this is our haul that we did today. It was fun. I did have to go to a lot of stores to source these things. That is the life of an antique booth owner. We do have to go out and source our own things. We are the cleanup crew. We are the stockers. We are the bookkeepers. We are everything. So owning an antique booth is not for the faint of heart, but I love it. I love every minute I can spend on this. And again, you're here for the journey. So I'm going to start getting this stuff ready. And then we're cleaning it, and the things that we need to fix, we're going to take downstairs and put them on our shelf that we need to fix things. I call it the shelf that we need to fix things on. And then the other stuff we'll start pricing, and we'll get it to the antique booth tomorrow. So guys, editing Jennifer here. I just realized editing this video that I never said goodbye. I am so sorry. So I wanted to hop on, tell you goodbye. I also want to say that I'm having so much fun. If you like this content, please remember to hit the like, subscribe button, and the little bell notification. I've noticed if you hit it, it will notify you the next time I do a video. I'm trying to do these once a week. Um, so if you like, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.